In this video, I'm going to show you how we go from the natural color of the polyurethane to this blue color. Now, every device comes with a mixer on the left tank. This mixer allows you to add different additives to your polyurethane. Now, main one, we're going to mention how you add colorants to your polyurethane, but you are able to add different kind of solids as well, like silica powder or talc powder, or microspheres. Now, Flovv system is able to handle smaller solids, but you might need to redo the mixing process after you add the colorant. Let me show you how we add the colors. First, we remove the back cover. After you remove the back cover, you unhook the DC line, and then you remove the tank cap. You don't need to remove the vacuum line, as this is a swivel mount. Once you unscrew the cap, you add the colorant, depending on your application, anywhere between 1% to 5%. Once you add the colorant, you go to the control screen and you hit the A mixing side. And then you start the mixing process. If you want to cancel out the mixing process, you can just hit stop and it stops. After the additives are mixed into the container, you're able to, put the cap back on and start the casting process. I'm going to also show you the priming part. So let's go for the inject and let's hit inject. Device first depressurizes the tanks because we are pulling a vacuum, and then afterwards it's going to ask me if I want to prime the nozzle. So I'm going to say yes to priming nozzle. This is where it sends out the residual cleaning fluid. It does it on its own. So whenever we do the cleaning part, there's leftover material in there. So it does it for both sides. First it does it for the A side, and then it does it for the B side. And then this is the residual cleaning fluid. It flushes that out. After both pipes are flushed with the new material, it sends out till the nozzle. So we're going to purge it just a little bit into the cup for us to see the material. We're gonna hit very low here. After this, I'm going to show you just how it does it into a cup. This is our leftover material just for you guys to see and understand how the curing happens. Between each run, you're able to wait 5 to 10 minutes. It doesn't necessarily cure in the nozzle, but after that time, the material cures in the nozzle. So we are able to wait. So once you hit stop, it closes the valves for the tanks and it asks you two things. First, if you want to vacuum the tanks. On this one, I'm going to say no, because we might do another injection run. On this one, we're going to say no. And then after the vacuum part, it asks you if you want to run the cleaning sequence. We're going to say yes to the cleaning sequence. So once you say yes to the cleaning cycle, you're just going to hit the button one time, and then it's going to run its cleaning cycle. Now it's cleaning the A side with, it's purging the A side with air, and then B side with air, and then both sides with cleaning fluids, and then it cleans up the whole pump assembly and the pipes as well. This allows you to use the nozzle again and again. Now it's doing for the B side. I am able to see it from the close-up here. It has run a full cleaning cycle. So now that we filled up our mold, we're just going to wait for it to cure. As you can see, it's already curing, and we still have no bubbles. Now, as you can see, it's fully cured, and if you look at the top, this is what the machine does. When you mix your polyurethanes by hand, it introduces air into your material, and that results in a poorer mixture. So by using the Flovv machine, you're able to inject models that has no air in them clear. These are our air vents. We twist the port screw and then we remove the air vents. And then just a small cleanup. As you can see, perfect part every time, and you just add the colorant and then its part comes out great. Now that we are finished with the part, we're gonna sand the surface to flat, and then we're gonna drill 2 holes. The part is done. Thanks for watching. Bye everyone.